Welcome to Tesla Fans YouTube channel. If you have a lost key card and you want to delete one of your key cards in case somebody found it or stole it, you want to make sure your car is safe, you can safely delete that key card. So go to the bottom left. If this video helps, click that thumbs up, click on locks, and then here you'll have all of the key cards and phones that are currently programmed into the Tesla vehicle. So let's say one of your key cards is called whatever the name is. Mine's called second key card or original. You can give it any name you want, but let's just say you want to delete this one. You click delete, and then it says tap key card. You can use any key card. It does not have to be the key card that you lost. So any key card, you just put it over here, and as you can tell, it's been removed. It's no longer there. Done. Now, if you want to add a key card, it's the same thing. You just click add key card. Then you take whatever card you just bought to replace. You put it back over here. And then it'll ask you to take any other programmed key card and put it on top. And then it'll say tap existing key card to approve pairing. You basically take these key cards, tap them a few times, leave them there, and it's going to eventually program the card. It might take 4 or 5 tries. Key card has been added. So if that helped, click thumbs up or subscribe. This video helped explain how to delete old key cards that you've lost, as well as adding new key cards. Thank you.